When cold, icy weather impacts our service territory, our transmission lines can experience galloping, which is like skipping rope motion. So if you used to play double dutch or jump rope back in the day, it's the same movement. This occurs when we get freezing rain. It collects on the transmission lines and it creates an airlift, causing the lines to jump up and down. Galloping cannot be prevented. We have a number of engineers that work extremely hard making sure that our transmission lines, when they go in service, that we get the tension on the line correct. In addition to that, we also install with a device that's called a damper. When we install these dampers, we use a high-grade technology software that looks at the line location, the sag in the line, the span length, and then also the tension, which can basically reduce the phenomenon. Galloping typically has no effect on our system. However, if it is severe enough, it can cause significant impact on our transmission line by causing the phases to slap together, which will result in an outage. And if it's severe enough, it can cause damage on our transmission line structures. If our customers come across this phenomenon, please stay away, because the lines could come together, cause an electrical arc and a flash, and you could be in a lot of danger. The best thing that you can do is move away from the area and then call 1-800-Entergy, and always please stay away from down power lines.